2018 Aston Martin Vanquish S Volante Ultimate. This exceptional car stands as a crowning jewel, marking the culmination of over a decade of Aston Martin's triumphant Gaydon-built VH chassis architecture. It exudes an air of timeless elegance paired with unrivalled performance. Unveiled in 2017 as a tribute to the Vanquish model's production finale, the Vanquish S Volante Ultimate graced the world with only 175 units in total, comprising of both Coupe and Volante variants. Harnessing the formidable power of the Vanquish S, this model is equipped with a 595 brake horsepower, 6-litre naturally aspirated V12 engine, flawlessly paired with an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission, propelling it to a top speed of 201 miles per hour and an acceleration of 0 to 62 miles per hour in a mere 3.5 seconds. The Vanquish S Volante Ultimate boasts a whole host of exclusive features, including carbon fibre side strakes adorned with rose gold ultimate decals, intricate carbon fibre bonnet vents, inviting carbon fibre tread plates and prestigious ultimate sill plaque that come together to create a special package. Noteworthy are the seats, adorned with a special stitching quilted design, accompanied by a quilted leather headlining and ultimate headrest embroidery. Of the 175 Vanquish S Ultimate Coupes and Volantes, it's believed only 54 were Volantes, and within this, a mere 20 were built in UK right-hand drive configuration, making this one of the rarest modern Aston Martins in existence. This example presents in the elegant ultimate black metallic paintwork, currently sporting a fantastic metallic green wrap, an option that can remain or can be removed upon your preference. The interior features obsidian black hides, beautifully contrasted by chestnut tan stitching and accents. Among its chosen optional extras, this masterpiece boasts bronze brake calipers, black textured tailpipe finishes, and a prestigious 177 steering wheel. The car also benefits from a B&O sound system, ventilated front seats, and wind deflector that add to your driving pleasure. The exquisite 20-inch 5-spoke gloss black diamond-turned wheels radiate sophistication, all while a paint protection film applied beneath the green wrap provides double-layered paint protection. First registered in April 2018, this example presents in impeccable condition, having only covered 11,593 miles from new, showing only the faintest traces of use. Meticulous servicing conducted according to the schedule by Aston Martin main agents, along with the extension of the manufacturer's warranty until January the 29th, 2024, ensures this Vanquish S Volante Ultimate has received the highest care. Looking back at the legacy of the first generation Vanquish S Ultimate and the DBS Ultimate, it is with great anticipation that we foresee these vehicles ascending to coveted status amongst the collector and aficionados of the marque. These vehicles encapsulate the final chapter of a glorious era in Aston Martin's production history. Available now for viewing and demonstration at our Bishop Stortford showroom.